This is Dr. Himabindu from Dr. Himabindu Skin Clinic and Laser Center, Manikonda. Today we are going to talk about pigmentation and related problems which we commonly see over the skin. So we have pigmentation issues like acne, post-acne pigmentation, melasma, chloasma in young adults and adults, sunburns which results in dark spots, as well as many inflammatory skin conditions which result in dark spots over the face. These are tough to be treated, but we have many solutions for them. So follow a specialized dermatologist opinion whenever you have such problems and take care regarding your skin. So some do's and don'ts regarding the treatment to get a better outcome. So usually a doctor gives you a sunscreen as well as a pigmentation removal cream. So sunscreens usually are applied in the morning hours when the sunlight is adequate, that is between 9 to 4. So use a sunscreen which is a broad spectrum, that is covering UVA and UV light. We know that 80% of the sunlight, harmful UV rays penetrate our skin. So if you use a sunscreen, you can protect yourself from the sunburn and pigmented related issues. So whenever using a sunscreen, use every 3 hours. From 9 to 4, use one application at 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock and 2 hours, so that every 3 hours you stay protected. Then apply a sunscreen 15 minutes before you step out of the house. The next is whenever you use a pigmentation cream, usually apply in the evenings. For a sensitive skin, apply for 1 to 2 hours, and if you can tolerate, you can apply overnight also. And you can use a moisturizer at night if you have any irritation related to the pigmentation creams, moisturizer will help you moisturize your skin and reduce the side effects related to it. Use the pigmentation creams on the affected area, not beyond the area. You take the treatment for the prescribed time, and some do's all have discussed. Now coming to don'ts. Don't self-medicate, don't use home remedies, don't go to quacks or pharmacists which they give the fairness creams usually, and they have steroid containing creams. These creams are not good for the skin. They cause many harmful side effects like thinning of the skin, cracks, as well as dryness when you stop using them, acne and rosacea like condition, and also hypo and hyperpigmentation, steroid induced vitiligo. Such kind of problems do develop if you use steroid creams over the face. So get a specialist opinion, check your correct problem what you have, and then take the correct treatment, and use the treatment for a prescribed period, and don't use beyond the affected area because it may cause little bit of irritation. Whenever the pigmentation creams have irritation, consult the doctor and tell the problem so that they can give you some remedy regarding your treatment. Apart from this, pigmentation related issues have a holistic approach. So whenever you have any such issue, apart from these creams and sunscreens, we have peels, lasers, which will have an overall improvement of your skin texture and color. So have a good skin, follow all these instructions, stay safe, and also have a healthy skin.